Today I'm gonna be cooking sweet and sour stir fry or Pad Priew Wan in Thai. The full recipe is in the description below. First, we will fry some garlic and then add our choice of meat. Next, we will add some onions and then slice carrot. Next, we will add some colorful capsicum. Our next ingredient is a tablespoon of soy sauce. And then cucumber and tomato. For a bit of flavor, we will add sriracha, sugar, and tomato paste. Now, pour in a little bit of hot water. Let it simmer so that the flavor can develop. And now, the key ingredient, pineapple. A little bit of pepper. That's it! Pad Priew Wan, ready to serve.